If we are to do the question that relates to perpendicular bisectors, so first of all, we need to understand that we are actually finding a perpendicular bisector of the 2 points AB. So A, B, say for example, AB is there. So the perpendicular bisector will be a line that passes through AB perpendicularly and is bisecting this line AB. Okay, so the line from A to B is called AB, and it is bisecting it into two halves and it's meeting at 90 degrees. So that's what a perpendicular bisector is. So first of all, we need to appreciate that this point is shared by both AB and also the line L. So that means this point not only lies on the point on the line AB, but it also lies on the line L. So that's why we can actually find that red point first. Okay, and that's actually the midpoint of AB. So let's find the midpoint of AB. And to calculate the midpoint of AB is the formula that x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So 8 plus 5 divided by 2. And then the y value is the same, 7 plus negative 4 divided by 2. And we'll do the calculation, 13 divided by 2, 6.5. And then 7 plus negative 4 is a 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So this is that point. Okay, so 6.5 and 1.5. So for now, we have a point that lies on the line L. Okay, but apart from that, we don't know anything about the line L. But what we know is in relation to AB, the slopes are perpendicular to each other. So we're now going to find the slope of the line AB first. Okay, so let's find the slope by finding the equation of AB first. Okay, so equation of AB, it's y equals to m, which is for the slope of AB, x plus c, which is also the value of AB. So from now on, y equals m plus c, because we are talking about the line AB. So underneath m and underneath c, we write down AB. Now we can put in those 2 points that we have for the line AB one by one, and we can get a simultaneous equation pair. 7 equals to m of AB with the x value set 8 in this case. So that's the first equation, and then the second equation with the x value being 5. So you will get the m and the c values from your calculator. After doing the calculation using those numbers, you can put in 8, 1, 7, 5, 1, negative 4 in your calculator. That will give you the slope of the line AB and the y-intercept of the line AB. So you can make an equation, and from there you know that the slope of AB is actually the m value, which is 11 over 3. And then we also knew that the AB line is perpendicular to the line L that we were talking about, because they are perpendicular. And with that knowledge, then we can derive that the slope of L will be the negative reciprocal. So you flip the fraction and change the sign on it, so you get negative 3 over 11. So now you have the slope of the line L. You got the slope, and we also got the point. So we can do the point slope form. So the equation of line L will be y equal to mx plus c again, but this time we are using the L equation. So instead of AB, we write down L, and we already know that the slope of L is negative 3 over 11. The x value is 6.5, and then the y value was 1.5, and then we have the c. So in this case, we are finding c by subtracting it back to the other side, which is 36 over 11, and therefore we have the equation equals to negative 3 over 11x plus 36 over 11, and that's the answer. Y